Oh, hey. Hey guys. Thought I'd introduce myself, kind of put a face to the name, tell you what's going on. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing some exhaust hangers, and I thought it'd be a perfect time to shift the type of content that I'm making. I do really enjoy making my commentary videos about especially the WRX and rally and everything, the Born to Rally series. I plan to keep going with that series as well. But here's my face for any of you who wondered, and I wanted to connect with you guys a bit more. Now that we're growing a little bit, we don't have a huge amount of subscribers, but there's 200 people, or just nearly 200 people, and that's pretty huge to me. So I thought I'd connect with you guys a bit more. And I wanted to be a bit more hands-on with my cars. You know, I love cars, I love working on them, so it'd be stupid of me to not document that. I've been holding off on showing my face for a little while. Not sure exactly why, I just haven't done it. But I guess, on a whim, this is perfect timing. Please let me know if this style of content is something that you guys enjoy, or if there is anything in particular that you would like to see. I know that the commentary videos have gotten some good traction, so this is a big shift in what I've been doing, and it may not get as many views, but I'm not really here for that. I just want to make the content that I enjoy, which, like I said, I still enjoy making that other type of content, but wanted to be a bit more hands-on and do an installation video. But please hit that like button, hit subscribe. Thanks. Welcome to my garage. So these are the exhaust hangers that I'm going to be installing today. I bought these off Amazon, and they're a bit squishier than I wanted it to be. I previously bought some that were the wrong sizing for the holes, so it was just impossible to get the exhaust on. For the WRX, if I'm not mistaken, it's actually 12 millimeters, so this should pop right in. Yeah, I think that'll be right. I'm not using this. This is my old OEM catback. But I bought these off Amazon. There's a ton of brands. There's some that are like $50. These were $10, so, and they're adjustable, obviously, so there's 4 different holes for the exhaust. I'm hoping that this works. If it doesn't, then, you know, back to square one, but let me show you currently what's going on with it. It's a bit dark, you can see. So, it's not doing it right now, but obviously that moves a ton, and it hits off my control arm when I'm driving. So that's pretty aggravating. So I'm gonna get the car jacked up right now, and I will get to the install. I would open up the garage. It's kind of pouring. It's raining really bad right now, so I'm just gonna set this up right here. Alrighty guys, we got it jacked up right now. I'm gonna have to stop the recording and turn on my flash, and I will show you how to change the exhaust hangers. Install your exhaust. You have these exhaust hangers up here. These are the stock ones. They are not really adjustable. They are for the stock exhaust. So I will get those changed real fast, and I will show you that. Something that's super nice that's not necessarily required is this exhaust hanger tool. It helps remove the exhaust hangers. Sometimes they're a bit tight, especially on older vehicles. This just makes it super easy. You put it on one end and then you squeeze, and it's just already out. But let me show you the tool. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. So if you put it in like that, and you put it on the end there, you just squeeze. Here is the OEM exhaust hanger there. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not exactly sure if this is gonna work out, but it should add a little bit more customization there. We got exhaust hanger 2 in, and we're gonna move it down a little bit further and get the 3rd one in. And we got the 3rd exhaust hanger in. It doesn't look like I'm going to need to change anymore. It seems that we are in a solid spot now. Finished product. I know this video is short. It is no longer banging on anything. It is a tight fitment as well, so We're looking good under there. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this style of content and I'll keep trying. Thanks.